Hello everyone. Today in this first class of Autocad, we will learn the basic toolbars in Autocad, how we select the object, how we unselect it, and the grip size. So this is our day one in Autocad class. Day one in Autocad class, AutoCAD class, and it is just a basic class for everyone. So I hope you have installed your latest version of AutoCAD. So now let's dive into it. So in AutoCAD, this is surface. No need to know about all this. What does this surface means? What does this means? Here is basic circle drawing: move, copy, trace, rotate, trim, select, array. These are the commands we used in AutoCAD. But at very first, what we do is after installing the AutoCAD, there may be some changes mm, in your phone. For example, in my PC, look look into this grip size. It is such bigger. So in after installing, your this size is maybe small. So now let us know how we could change this bar. So generally we have to enter OP option for OP, then click enter. After enter, here very first we come with file. This has nothing to do. Then display, which color do you like, light or dark? I prefer here dark. Then here is crosshair size. How much size the crosshair do you want to set? Let us play here. Crosshair size 3. Apply, change. Look here. Crosshair means this length. How much length this do you want? Only this much you want, or you want some bigger? So this is crosshair size. I hope you can. Again we enter option, enter, then we have to increase this to make us suitable to work. Okay, this is nothing to do for now. Open and save. Just remember, you have to always choose the very first file of AutoCAD, because if you here choose 2018 version, then if you have drawn in 2024, guess here I am in 2024 version. But if someone we have AutoCAD 2007 is trying to open our file, then he is not be able to read it. So we have to make it 2007, so the people using the 2007 AutoCAD can also access our file. Okay, then here is file safety precaution, automatic save. After 10 minutes automatic save. At some time what happens, if you are doing work, then suddenly the line goes off and our work will not be saved. So we have to automatic save. Create a backup file with this hit save. Okay, then plot and publish, nothing to do. System, nothing to do. User reference, nothing to do. Drafting, here also that auto snap size, that box auto snap size, how much you want, just make it your comfortable size. You can also change here color. From this you can also change color. Then 3D modeling, nothing to change here. Grip size, pickup box, also you can change size from here. Grip size, you can also change the selections color here. Profiles, nothing to. If you ever don't like your setup, then you can reset, then it will be apply. Okay, so now this is our box, this is our working area, then this is our complete, this is our working area. This is so. And while working in AutoCAD, we must have certain units. Okay, we are working in mm, or we are working in inches. That means we are working in decimal, both we are working in inches. For example, just give for drawing line from for now I'm trying to do from this, but after few class I will teach you some command to draw line. Then click here, click here, click here. It will draw line. But what is the length of this line? What is the length of this line? The length is 35.32. But what is its unit? Either it's in inches, or it is in foot, or either it is in or meter. We don't know. So to set unit, we have to enter command un in AutoCAD. But we have to enter un units. Then here we have different types. Architectural, we as a civil engineer we use architectural, and architectural we make it to inches. Other we can't do here. Just like here, for architecture and engineering we only use inches. Again units, go architectural, then unit, inches. Precision should be in which precision you are working. Let's do 0 feet 0 inches for now. Then now let's measure the length. What is showing 2 feet 11 inches, but the previous it was showing 35 point something value. In which value it was? I think it was in mm. If not mention any unit, then it always works on decimal. Okay, let's check here. Unit, decimal, mm. Okay, then again look 35. Here 35 is only showing because I have set precision 0, but if precision is increased, then the answer is 35.3294. So do you know how to set units? This is all about selection of unit while working on your project. Now there is one thing to do. At first, after opening AutoCAD and working in your file, you must set up units according to your work. For that we need command un, and what does it work? Setting of units. You can just write in your note copy. Now here. Now after single click on screen, I am doing here in this. After going to the right side, it is being my blue screen, and after going to left side, it's been green screen. What does this mean? So many of you think this doesn't mean anything, but it is very important part of AutoCAD while working. Let me explain what does this mean. Let me draw some random figure. Now after just single click in any screen, after selection, look here, I'm not covering all this drawing, okay, just covering little bit. Then again click, then it is only selecting this line and this line only. But what if we click here and bring green screen? Then after selecting, it is selecting many of. What does it means is blue screen. For the selection from blue screen, you need to cover all the portion of that object. Here by blue screen, it is only selecting this because blue screen is covering only this line. But while selecting green screen, you don't need to select all, just you need to touch only. You need to touch only like this. But for blue screen, Look here, for blue screen it is not selecting while touching. You need to cover all this like this. Just for example, while selecting all this, you need to cover from this. But for green screen, you don't need to do all. You can just simply this much. Okay, this is the basic difference between green and left screen. So draw, let us draw rectangle. This is rectangle. Okay, this is now while selecting it from blue screen. Look here, blue screen, it is not selecting it because it is not fully cover up. While fully cover up, it is selected, but while doing from green screen, it not need to be completely cover up. Look here, it is selecting by just a little touch. Then now you can copy it from here every much. Look how fast we can do it. Yes. So in today's session, what we learned to how to set off our AutoCAD crosshair, its color and its theme like dark or light, and very important things, we learn how to set up our working unit. At first, before working on AutoCAD, you must set up your unit. This is the most needed because while working on your project, there will be certain dimension of length. So, for example, you have to draw a rectangle of 2 feet, 2 feet, 2 feet, and 2 feet. So, before setting unit, you have to difficulty in converting into feet or feet into So, before working, must set up your unit. Okay, then after that, what we learn is we learn the blue screen, importance of blue screen and green screen okay. So in next class we will learn some basic command, not from here. We will learn command of copy, move, and scale. Okay, so stay tuned with me.